Alright, so this is a Milwaukee underbody light that we invested in for the channel to help with maintenance and also give us better light during videos underneath the cars. So this is where the light end is at, where the power button is at, and the modes, and this swivels, and this swivels, and this rotates, and then this end is where your strong magnets are located, and this is where your battery goes. So this is an M12. It came with this 4.0 battery, so your batteries pop in like this, and then what you would do, say you're underneath of a car, you would find a metal spot that's magnetic underneath, and you'd put that on there, and this is a very strong magnet, and then you would articulate this in any way that you saw fit, and you turn your light on right there. I don't want to blind the camera, but just kind of show it a little bit there. And then on the modes, you can make it different brightnesses. It looks like it's got 3 different brightnesses, so I'm going to shut it off just for the camera purposes. But then also in addition to this really strong magnet to mount it, you'll see the magnet symbol on this rectangle, and that's for small parts, like when you're working on something, you have a drain bolt or a crush washer or whatever that might be magnetic, you could put it there. Your crush washers may not be magnetic, I'm not sure about that, but like most of your bolts would be. So anything that's magnetic you could stick on there. I wouldn't recommend sticking entire tools on there like heavy wrenches and stuff like that, but it is fairly strong, definitely enough for fasteners like bolts and nuts and washers and stuff like that. So anyway, we're looking forward to that, like I said, both for being able to see under the car and also for the video quality for the channel. So these are rated. This is really made by Milwaukee with automotive use in mind, so it's made to withhandle spills of like all the different kinds of fluids we would be using: oil, transmission fluid, differential fluid, transfer case assembly fluid, stuff like that. It can handle spills. And the other thing I like about it is instead of having like a stick light on the ground like this one, where I just have to keep moving it and then it might be in the way of like a drain pan, this light I would be able to keep off the ground, get it out of the way of my drain pan and things like that. So anyway, looking forward to being able to use that. You'll see that on the channel. I'm going to put links in the video description for this in case you're interested.